Hi everybody, it's 1:09 and 18 seconds on August 21st. Sorry for the delay, but there's some significant lag with PayPal today. Payments are not showing up in my account. I'm not getting emails saying that payments have come over. People are providing me proof via screenshots that they're done. So that's what the delay is. Jeff, everybody's payment showed up but yours. I trust you enough that if some reason there's an issue, I'll just contact you after the fact. I don't want to delay this any further. Okay, so 8 spots. This is Iron Man and Submariner 1. Roll is 11. Name at the top of the list at the end of the 11th roll will win the book. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and this is the final one after this one goes. Number 11, spot 3, Hector Jasso. Congratulations. Time is 1:10 and 30.